Hello there. In this video, I will teach you how to hide or unhide Instagram notifications from your lock screen. If someone sends you a message on Instagram, it pops up on your lock screen with its name and the content on it, and your friends and family members can easily read your message. So what to do to keep your privacy safe? Let me show you. First, you need to go to your settings. From your settings menu, you need to choose notification. Now, you need to scroll down until you find the Instagram application. After finding Instagram, tap on it. Here, you can customize your notification for Instagram. Now, if you don't want your notification message to appear on your lock screen, you need to tap this first logo, which says Lockscreen. After unchecking this box, your Instagram notification with name and the content of the message won't pop up on your lock screen. Also, if you don't want the message on your home screen like this, then you need to check this third box, which says Banners. You will only hear a vibration if you receive a message, but you won't be able to identify where you received that message. However, if you only want the Instagram notification on your lock screen without the sender name and message, then you can choose the Show Preview option from below, and as you can see, it says Always Now. You just need to select the middle option. But make sure before doing that, you go back and check these two boxes. So yeah, that is how you hide or unhide Instagram notifications. Thanks for watching.